Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. A while back I had done a tutorial on creative comments, and I'll put a link to that below. And at about the 4:20 minute mark of that, I showed how you can add a picture in lieu of a comment so that when you hovered over a cell, a picture or an image would pop up rather than just a comment. And in Office 365, Excel changed the process a bit, and now comments are a threaded system where you can basically have conversations, and the old comments are called notes. And now to add a picture to notes is just a bit different, and so I want to show you how you can do that in Excel. So let's take a look. So here's an example of what we're going to accomplish. I'm a Pittsburgh Penguins hockey fan, and so when I hover over the cell H4 where it has Pittsburgh Penguins, you can see that an image of their emblem pops up. I move away, it goes away, just like a comment would normally, where you have the red triangle in the upper right corner, etc. So how do we accomplish this? Well, I'm going to move down a little bit, and I'm just going to again type Pittsburgh Penguins in this cell, and again I'm just going to highlight it and put a border around it. Now previously, if you wanted to insert a comment, you would go to the Insert tab, and over you would go to the Comments section. But again, that's not comments as we used to have. This is more of a threaded conversation system. So instead, you can go to Review, and now there's a section called Notes. Click on that and say New Note. And now what used to be thought of as comments, which is now notes, that would pop up. And I'm going to just square it off a little bit. You can go in here and delete, say in this case, my name, so there's no text in there. And now you move your cursor right to the edge till it turns into a four-headed arrow, and then right-click, and you will get a menu that says Format Comment. Select that, then go to Colors and Lines, and then under Fill, Color, there's a drop-down arrow, and you would go down to Fill Effects. Another dialog box pops up, and you go over to Picture, and from here you can select where your photo is. Here I'm going to say From a File. It's on my desktop. I'm going to choose Penguin. I'm going to say OK and OK. So when I hover over it, I get the image that I want. Here I can still show and hide, and now I can edit it. So for example, if I want to make this a little bit larger, and maybe I want to type in here something like, this is a penguin, and now you see that text will appear. And again, depending how your picture is, etc., I can highlight this, I can make it bold, I can go to my Home tab, I can increase the size of it, etc. And again, now when I select Show Hide Note, as I hover over it, I get that image, and whatever text that I include with that will appear. And that's how you can do this in Excel. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it beneficial, please share it, like it, or give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my blog at my website, excel-bytes.com, or any of the social networks you see below. Have a great day and happy excelling.